Number 1. Striking vintage presence defines this 1937 Ford F1 custom build, offered at $30,000 in Rio Vista, California. Finished in bold red with a black interior, this paid-off classic shows just 4,000 miles since completion and reflects the care of its two owners. Equipped with an automatic transmission and gasoline power, it blends iconic pre-war truck styling with upgraded drivability for modern cruising comfort. The custom build suggests thoughtful craftsmanship and attention to detail, making it a standout at shows, weekend cruises, or private collections. With its timeless lines and vibrant finish, this 1937 Ford delivers both nostalgic character and confident road appeal. Number 2. Exceptional style and craftsmanship defines this 1933 Ford Coupe, offered at $37,000 OBO in Chino, California. Finished in striking white with a matching white interior, this paid-off classic carries a clean title and shows 67,980 miles. Equipped with an automatic transmission and gasoline power, it blends iconic early-era design with smooth, enjoyable drivability. The interior and exterior present beautifully, reflecting careful ownership and impressive overall condition. With no significant damage or issues reported, this standout coupe is ready for shows, relaxed weekend cruising, or to become a distinguished highlight in any serious collection. Number 3. Blazing attitude radiates from this 1923 Ford T-Bucket, priced at $20,000 in Tucson, Arizona. Just completed and driven only 300 miles, it pairs vivid copper penny pearl paint with a black custom interior and unmistakable hot rod stance. A freshly built 350 small block Chevrolet with Elgin cam, double hump heads, aluminum intake, 650 carburetor, ceramic headers, and turbo 350 automatic delivers sharp response. Coilover suspension, GM disc brakes, Mickey Thompson rear tires, and LED lighting complete the package. Born from Ford's revolutionary Model T spirit, this roadster celebrates the roots of performance culture. Number 4. Bold vintage presence meets modern street rod performance in this 1934 Ford Shorty pickup, offered at $21,000 in Graham, Washington. Finished in vibrant Viper red with black pinstriping and a black tuck-and-roll interior. This custom build rides on a box frame with a 305 Chevy V8 paired to a turbo 350 automatic transmission. A 9-inch rear end, front power disc brakes, rear drums, and airbags in the rear deliver confident cruising. It features new glass, electric wipers, heater, AM/FM CD radio, B&M ratchet shifter, and an opening windshield for added airflow. With only 1,200 miles driven, it runs cool, performs reliably, and stands out wherever it goes. Number 5. Pure hot rod artistry defines this 1926 Model T coupe, custom built and offered at $30,000 in Troy, Montana. Chopped 4 inches with a filled roof and rolled edge, it delivers a sleek, aggressive profile, finished in stunning candy pearl black cherry over a black pearl base. Power windows, smoked tempered glass, chrome tilt steering column, billet steering wheel, VDO gauges, and a fully refreshed interior with bucket seats elevate the cabin. Under the hood sits a freshly built 454 engine matched to a turbo 400 automatic, delivering thunderous power and an unmistakable street presence, enhanced by gleaming header side pipes and a striking polished shotgun air cleaner. Dropped I-beam suspension, disc brakes, narrowed 9-inch rear end, ET gasser fronts, and well drag-light rears complete this head-turning machine. Number 6. Classic hot rod character shines in this 1929 Ford Model A 5-window coupe, offered at $22,000 in McLouth, Kansas. Built with all-steel construction on a boxed and channeled frame, this custom coupe blends vintage style with proven performance. Power comes from a 1951 Mercury 255 CID flathead, bored .040 over, running a 12-volt system and dressed to resemble a 59 setup with triple deuces. It's paired with a 39 3-speed transmission and a 41 Ford rear end. A Pete & Jake's 4-inch dropped front axle, 4-wheel drum brakes, and 13,000 miles since completion, 2002 to 2008, make it a well-sorted driver. Additional classic Ford parts are included with the sale. Number 7. Steel-era attitude defines this 1930 Ford Model A, offered at $22,000 in Goshen, Connecticut. Finished in crisp white over a fresh black interior, this classic carries a timeless hot rod presence with only 300 miles showing. Under the hood sits a desirable 59 AB flathead V8, delivering that unmistakable vintage rumble through a manual transmission. A newly completed interior and new roof tighten up the presentation, giving the car a clean, ready-to-enjoy feel. Few machines capture early Ford spirit quite like the Model A, a design that helps shape the foundation of traditional hot rodding. Number 8. Relentless street rod energy defines this 1934 Dodge PB Coupe, offered at $65,000 in Walla Walla, Washington. With just 2,000 miles since completion, the steel-bodied machine rides on a hand-built frame and features a 2-inch chop, filled roof, and bold suicide doors. Up front sits an 871 blown 1957 392 Hemi, loaded with hot heads components, Vitec 2x4 electronic fuel injection, and MSD ignition, delivering explosive throttle response through a Mopar 833 4-speed overdrive and 8.7 rear with 4.10 gears. TCI suspension, Willwood front discs, and Team 3 wheels sharpens its stance, while the striking 2011 Mopar Toxic Orange finish ensures it commands attention everywhere it goes. Number 9. Meticulously restored and ready to impress, This 1948 Ford F1 Street Rod is offered at $29,900 in Omaha, Nebraska. Completed with a full frame-off restoration, it blends timeless truck styling with modern performance. A strong 350 GM engine paired with an automatic transmission delivers smooth, confident driving, while air conditioning adds everyday comfort. The all-new cloth interior presents beautifully, and hidden door access enhances its clean custom look. Professionally built and carefully maintained, this truck has been owned by the current caretaker for over 25 years and stored in a heated garage. A true turnkey classic with show-quality presence and dependable street manners. Number 10. Bold, sinister, and built to thrill, this 1933 Ford Coupe is offered at $55,000 in Athens, Georgia. Finished in sleek black over a matching black interior, it rides on a TCI chassis with a 9-inch Ford rear end and 4-wheel disc brakes for confident control. Power comes from a legendary 1969 426 Hemi, topped with a magnesium cross-ram intake, paired to a 700R automatic transmission for strong, smooth performance. Rack and pinion steering and air conditioning enhance drivability, while the Downs fiberglass body keeps the look classic and aggressive. With just 7,300 miles showing and long-term ownership, this coupe delivers unmistakable hot rod presence and serious muscle. Number 11. Raw vintage attitude meets serious Hemi power in this 1931 Ford Model A Tudor, offered at $24,900 in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Finished in black with a tan interior, this custom build is far from ordinary. Under the hood sits a Chrysler 392 Hemi fitted with 354 heads and numerous hot heads components, paired to a GM 5-speed manual transmission and Ford rear end for an engaging driving experience. The car runs and can be enjoyed as it sits, with an additional good block included in the sale. A crack along the bottom of the current block has been sealed and managed, requiring occasional coolant top-offs. A bold, driver-focused hot rod with strong character and trade possibilities.